Display size. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 6.7 inches. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 6.73 inches. Display resolution. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 1290 into 2796 pixels, with 460 ppi density. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 1440 into 3200 pixels, with 522 ppi density. Display type. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is LTPO AM OLED. Display protector. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is ceramic shield glass. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is Xiaomi Shield Glass. Operating system. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is iOS 17, upgradable to iOS 17.5.1. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is Android 14, HyperOS. Chipset. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple A17 Pro. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Processor. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Hexacore processor. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is Octa-core processor. GPU. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple GPU. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is Adreno 750. RAM. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 8 GB. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 12 GB and 16 GB. ROM. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. Front camera. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 12MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 32MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 48MP wide, 12MP periscope telephoto, and 12MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 50MP wide, 50MP telephoto, 50MP periscope telephoto, and 50MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Connectivity. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is GSM, CDMA, HSP, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is GSM, CDMA, HSP, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 4,441 mAh battery with 15-watt fast charging. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 5,000 mAh battery with 90-watt fast charging. Spec winner.